but the kind of dessert you would fantasize in your dreams. We're making flan. You might think it's difficult to do, but you need only 6 ingredients and a bit of patience to do it. We'll do the caramel, the custard, and bake everything in a bain-marie. Let us begin. Step number 1, le caramel. Always do the caramel first, because once done, you can pour it in a bowl and let it harden while you work on the other component of your dish. So let's grab a pot. This is about 3 cups of sugar. It's not a big deal if you have more, because you can always throw out the rest. Medium heat, around 3 tablespoons of water, not too much, just to loosen it a bit. This is a crucial step. Make sure you don't leave this, stay and guard this like a dog, because as easy as it is to make, it's as easy to f up. Once the sugar is melted, you'll see it will start to take some color, and we're looking kind of a brown color, almost toffee-like color. Oh, there it is. It's starting to melt. And there you have it, dark and rich in color. Now, as soon as you get to the stage, don't wait. That's the exact moment you need to pour into your bowls. Just a small layer right there. Now you can put this aside, it's gonna harden. It's just like candy. At the end, it's gonna be a solid layer. Step number 2, let's do the custard. Grab yourself another pot. You're going to add 1.5 cup of evaporated milk, 1 cup of sweet condensed milk, 1 liter of milk. So that's around 4 cups. Add vanilla extract or vanilla beans. Give it a good mix. Just make sure the condensed milk is evenly mixed with the mixture. Now, once you're done with that, you need to bring the mixture to a simmer. And I said simmer, don't boil this. All right, in the meantime, let us crack some eggs. Grab yourself a bowl. I'm using 12 eggs because these are a bit smaller. If you have larger eggs, you'll need around 10 eggs. So you'll use 6 whole eggs and 4 yolks. I have 12 here. I'll be using 8 whole eggs and 4 yolks. Okay, after the mixture has cooled off a bit, we'll start adding it gradually, and make sure you don't add all of it at once because it's gonna turn out to scrambled eggs else. I'm using my measuring cup for ease, just so that I don't add too much at once, and hopefully I don't make a mess. Now we have the mixture ready, but as you can see, there's a lot of foam into this. And if we let these foams go into our containers that's gonna go into the oven, they're gonna turn into air pockets and have like kind of air bubbles, just like you have in wheel of cheese. And we don't want that. We just want a uniform texture. So to do that, I'm gonna pour this back into the pot, but we'll strain it before that. So hopefully that goes well. And now the mixture is ready to go into the oven, which brings us to step number 3, the Bain-Marie. Get your containers. We're going to pour the mixture slowly. Last little pause for some of the bubbles you might have done while pouring. Yeah. Okay. Now you're gonna put some aluminum foil over these. Poke some holes into your aluminum foil just so that the steam can escape. The moisture is being drawn out in the cooking process. In the bain-marie, you have to half submerge your bowl. So we're going to add this bowl in here, and we're going to pour water just so that it gets the container submerged halfway. Now pop this bad boy into the oven for an hour at 365 degrees. Now, if you don't have an oven, I got a quick hack for you. Our old friend, the rice cooker. Weird, right? I know, but this will turn out absolutely amazing. Fill it up with water. It's the same process. You just gotta have the bowl halfway to 3/4 submerged into the water. Now pop this into the rice cooker for an hour and just make sure to jam the button that it doesn't come up after a certain time. Keep checking on to this one though. If the water is getting evaporated, just add a little bit of water to it. Out of the oven, just make sure you cool it off a bit in the fridge. Let's see how this turned out. Now carefully run your knife around. And there you have it, the perfect flan. If you don't make this, you're definitely going to have. I'm going to leave the recipe down in the description. I'll see you next time.